Hello, we are Saturn Group.
Hi, my name is Jirapa Hangsin, number 13.
Hi, my name is Nat.R, Rawiwan, number 16.
Hi, my name is Kanyawee Koomphol, number 29. We are studying in Wittayayon 5/1.
Today, we present our independent study about Saturn.
At the present, education about space and star has become more advanced and interesting to people. Scientists work hard to know about the relationships between the Earth and other planets in the solar system. In order to know better about this topic, our group chose the star detail of the Saturn, which most people are interested in because it is so beautiful planet.
Objective of study 1. To study about composition and structure of Saturn. 2. To know why people think that the Saturn is the most beautiful planet. 3. To share with readers details and facts of Saturn. 4. To study about discovery of Saturn. Saturn. When I call this, everyone might have known it because it is an interesting and famous planet. It has the most beautiful rings. Most people like it. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. It is the biggest planet because it has most of hydrogen and helium. After Galileo discovered Saturn, many people begin to know it and learn more of Saturn. Saturn is the only one less dense than water and spins faster than other planets except Jupiter. Saturn is the biggest than the Earth. From the picture, Saturn has many rings, but the Earth doesn't have any rings. Each ring compounds dust, ice, and water. Saturn seems to have a hot soil in the core of iron and rock, and other core compound and ammonia, methane, and water. Saturn has 62 moons. Only 53 of Saturn's moons have named by scientists. The largest moon is Titan. The surface of Titan is difficult to observe due to the atmosphere that has and shows only a few insect creatures. Titan is the only an object in the solar system besides Earth.
Saturn is composed a lot of particles which move around the Saturn. Most composition comprise ice and rocks, and some parts are dust and etc. Saturn can help us see the Saturn more clearly, but we can see Saturn with our naked eye. According to the research from many websites and books, Galileo Galilei was the first person to see Saturn in 1610, although from his telescope they resemble handles or arms. In 1655, Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens, who had a more powerful telescope, proposed that Saturn had a thin flat ring. Astronomers with even more powerful telescope discovered that Saturn actually has many rings made of billions of particles of ice and rock, ranking in size from the size of sugar to the size of a house. The rings are believed to be debris left over from comets, asteroids, or shadow moon. In 1676, French astronomer Giovanni Cassini discovered that the rings are divided with a gap which has known in the name Cassini division. Outside ring is called A ring. Inner ring is called V ring, and the next is called C ring, and the last is called D ring. In 1837, German astronomer Johann Encke discovered a black ditch in a ring. After that, this ditch is called Encke division, and have discovered outer rings in Crete. That is E ring, which is the last outside ring and has less density, and G ring, which invisible, is next to E ring, and F ring is adjoint A ring. Conclusion and discussions. Most people are bored to know about our solar system, especially the Earth where everyone lives in. At the present, there are more research about solar system, especially the research aimed to know the relation of the Earth with other planets. Saturn is a planet that most people are interested in and think that Saturn is a planet which has the most beautiful ring. From many observations as mentioned, we should to study about Saturn more particularly. It makes us know that actually Saturn is a big gas planet which has less density than water. Its rings stem from dust and ice that assemble and reflect. So we can see the ring surround the Saturn, and we can see it with our naked eye. Saturn is a planet that is famous for its ring. After we have conducted a survey, we learned that even for a group of students in Deebuk, Phangnga, Wittayayon school, they know the importance of solar system and have knowledge very well. Whether the knowledge about solar system directly or about other planets in solar system. Most students can answer name of all planets in solar system. When we ask that which planet do you like most students like the Saturn the most, and most students answer that they have knowledge very well. And when we have conducted a survey according to the objectives, we think that most students have a basic knowledge about the Saturn because the majority can answer that Saturn composed gas mainly. It stems from dust and ice, assemble and become the Saturn. In fact, research about planet in solar system has ordered in lesson in astronomy in many classes in Thailand to make every student have a basic knowledge that can bring it to study in further.